I got a shave coming up next with Løthur White, but real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and I need a shave today. Like I said in the intro, today's shave soap is Løthur White, and this soap is a very kind of date night-ish soap scent. There's what the pour looks like. I'll get a little bit more into the notes here in just a little bit. I'm going to be using the matching splash, some star jelly, the Blackland Blackbird with the Gillette silver blue blade in there. And I have that already whipped up in my HC&C stainless steel bowl and my Trotter's white badger brush. This soap did lather up very nice. I used 1/4 of a teaspoon. Here's what we're looking at for lather. And let's go ahead and get lathered up here. Kind of taking this scent. This scent is kind of a sweet cologne sort of scent. And to me, it's kind of hard to describe. And we're going to read off the scent notes together here in just a minute, because I feel like the scent notes are, I won't really say cheating, but they're kind of a more generalized scent description to kind of get right to the point instead of all kinds of miscellaneous things that would lead you down a path of unknown for the scent. So I'm going to put up on the screen right now the scent notes. And so it has a bergamot, spicy notes, tiramisu, accord, which is an Italian dessert, orange blossom, jasmine, creamy custard, cashmere woods accord, and tonka bean. And so you can see how I'm saying that this particular scent kind of has that dessert sweetness scent to it. I think it would definitely be a scent that's not overwhelming. And if somebody like a young lady was to get up close to you, I think she would enjoy this scent. My wife, doesn't said she doesn't hate it, she doesn't love it, but it kind of has that intriguing scent to it. And this is a dupe of another cologne, and if I can remember, I'll put a little picture right here of it. But it's definitely a scent, that can be worn pretty much any time. And it's a nice little scent. The old Blackbird has no issues knocking down the stubble. There's not really a whole lot of residual slickness with this soap. And for me, I kind of feel like the Løthur soaps have a little bit more skin food to them. And I know I have said this about other soaps in the past, but it kind of gives you that little bit of a tackiness feel to it. And so, you can take it or leave it. I think it just has a little bit of extra nourishment for your skin in there. And so that kind of gives you a little bit different shave feel. And if your skin is one of those that doesn't do well with the extra skin food, you might want to be precautious with it. But if your skin is one of those that really needs it, then it would be a favorable base for you. For me, I feel like if the soap has a little bit of extra stuff in it, it tends to kind of give me a little bit of irritation, because I feel like maybe it just kind of gets into the pores and not really come out nearly as easily. And that's just my skin. I don't know. Everybody's skin's a little bit different. Let's get lathered up for pass number 2. And the other day, I had dropped my phone when I was outside in the driveway. And I've got a phone case on it, But the thing about phone cases is if you drop your phone on the side or the back, it usually saves it. But if you drop it on the front or the face, you know, there's a little bit of a lip. And if you drop it on a flat surface, it's going to protect the screen. But if you have rocks and such, it can actually hit the screen and crack it. Well, I have a screensaver on there, one of those glass ones. And, excuse me. Anyway, it did protect it. But I put this new one on there. And I feel like with the lighting and stuff, it's making the lens kind of on the camera react differently for some reason. So like the whites seem a little bit more washed out for some reason. Hopefully I can make some corrections on that with the software during editing. If not, I will be pulling that screensaver off and getting a different one. But I've had that on there for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years now. And I can't remember where I got that screensaver or what kind it was. I tend to not buy them at like Verizon because they really mark them up. And you know what I'm talking about if you've bought them there. They want to price them at like 30 bucks, or that's what they used to do. I have no idea what they are now, but they get you. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. That blade and razor combo, nice and smooth, efficient, excellent razor. I don't know if I had said this before, but this is the Razor Company kind of edition or collaboration for the soap, and I believe it's not available right now. If I can remember correctly, this was, I think, around $20 for the soap. And this splash is one of those that's a little bit thicker. It does feel nice. Sticky. It reminds me of the the Van soap and splash set. And it really, it's almost like that tackiness. You almost don't need a star jelly or some kind of post-shave balm, but I'm going to use it anyway because I think there's little bits of cocaine or crack in there, and so I'm addicted to it. Now I kind of feel like the little bit of alcohol that's in there may help kind of distribute that and thin it out a little bit. What a nice scent. Excellent shave. I feel like it went really smooth and quick today. I did create a playlist for Løthur, so if you click down here and go through and take a look, I've got a lot of playlists for different things that I've done, and I noticed I really didn't have a whole lot of videos with Løthur. I do have probably 4 or 5 different sets, so I'm going to try to add some of those in there. And that's just one of those things as a content creator. You get kind of busy and caught up doing all kinds of stuff, and it's kind of difficult to keep track of what you have done and haven't done. And sometimes, you know, with the shaves in between the weeks, I pick up other things, and then other times I use the same thing all week. So, you know, it is what it is. But I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday's shave. I'll see you then.